Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to automate your Airtable templates. So we have three options to do so. Let's start with a simple one. The simple one is the Webhook Airtable formula or button. Just click on this and here you'll see this URL. Just copy it and go back to your Airtable base. And here either you can select a button and here select open URL, then paste the URL just copied. Name the field is create whatever you like, PDF, and create fields. And the other one is you can create a formula field, and here also you just paste the same thing and click on let's first name this field create PDF using formula create field. These both things works the same way. If you want to create a PDF, so we have set up this template to create a PDF inside this particular attachment field. So let's try it out. Let me click on this link and this will create a PDF. Let's wait few seconds and our PDF should get here. As you can see, a PDF has been generated here. And now let's try to have the PDF in the second record using the button. Click on it, exactly same thing, and a PDF will be generated inside the second record in just few seconds. As you can see, a PDF is right here. So this is how you use Webhook, which is Airtable formula or button.